Kingspan Insulation presents the TEK building system, an innovative timber-based construction system with superb integral thermal performance. Supported by comprehensive design and engineering services, the system features structural insulated panels and a highly effective jointing system. Like any standard timber-framed construction, the erection of a Kingspan TEK building system begins with installation of the sole plates, but there the similarities end. The system's structural insulated panels comprise two sheets of oriented strand board, or OSB for short, and a 110mm rigid urethane insulation core. They are manufactured without the use of CFCs, HCFCs or other ozone-depleting substances, and therefore have zero ozone depletion potential. Kingspan TEK building system structural insulated panels are delivered to site individually numbered and are joined together in accordance with the designed scheme that is part of the system. They are connected with a proprietary jointing system using strips of OSB. Once the panels have been jointed with an expanding urethane sealant, they are nailed. The first story is erected by fixing the sole plate to the footings. Although the first story on this contract is concrete, it could have been constructed using the Kingspan TEK building system timber-based construction. The structural insulated panels are then erected according to the defined design scheme. The first story wall panels are finished off by fixing a timber head plate in a factory-cut channel. The Kingspan TEK building system, which complies with all building regulations and standards in the UK and Ireland, does not restrict you to any specific floor plan or building form. Timber I-beams for the upper floors are easily installed. OSB decking is laid to complete the floor. Upper story walls are erected in much the same way as the first story walls. A sole plate is fixed in place and the panels are erected. Every Kingspan TEK building system house can be a low-energy house. The expanding urethane sealant, which seals every junction, makes the building extremely airtight. An air leakage rate of 0.08 air changes per hour at normal air pressures or 0.91 changes per hour at 50 pascals can be achieved. This is equivalent to approximately 1 cubic metre per hour per square metre. The 110mm layer of rigid urethane insulation in Kingspan TEK building system structural insulated panels makes it almost impossible to build a wall or roof with a U value other than 0.2 watts per metre squared Kelvin or better, and U values as low as 0.12 are simple to achieve with additional insulation. Irregular building forms, round windows and unusual angles are no problem for our fully automated production facility. A crane is required for only a short period. The purlins are lifted into position and lowered into slots that are factory cut into the Kingspan TEK building system structural insulated panels. These slots are machined to suit the specific building. Then, the roof panels are laid on the purlins and fixed in place. The Kingspan TEK building system incorporates a comprehensive design and engineering service. If you provide us with your detailed architectural plans, we will engineer a TEK building system scheme to match your design. This scheme lays out the way in which Kingspan TEK building system structural insulated panels are jointed on-site to create your building. Structural insulated panels are machined to the exact specification drawn up for each building. This enables complex building structures to be easily erected. Building with the Kingspan TEK system is simple. It can be used for a wide range of projects. Housing, light commercial and industrial buildings, new build and extensions. It's simple to erect and has a proven track record. Several hundred houses have been constructed in the UK, Ireland and Germany using the system. The TEK building system from Kingspan Insulation. Building to future standards today.